Hi everyone, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Tuesday weather video brought to you by Country TV, Sky Channel 081. Well, we've got a pretty benign weather pattern at the moment. It's like spring still, and that spring pattern is going to continue for the whole month of December. I've said that a couple of times. So the weather pattern at the moment, sou'wester blowing through, a lot of low cloud out in the Tasman, a few little light showers coming through on the western side. They're barely enough to even wet the ground. And in fact, I think Weather Watch doesn't even have the shower icon for some areas. It's just such a small amount. So that's out there at the moment. The temperatures are a bit lower, especially in the mornings as a result of the sou'wester. I'm pretty certain we've had the coldest morning of December. I doubt it'll get much colder again, but I guess it's possible with an El Nino summer. So as we look at the wind and rain map for Wednesday, it's pretty similar to what we've seen at the moment around the country for Tuesday. Light sou'west winds blowing through. They do fade out for the most part. It's a bit cold again Wednesday morning in the North Island, but a little bit warmer in the south as the winds come back from the west to northwest, and as a result, in come the showers to Fiordland, southwestland, maybe one or two getting into Southland as well as a result of this low down here in the Southern Ocean and this big high up here to our north. By Thursday, it's a warmer day pretty much everywhere across the country. High pressure smack bang right there, that's where the H would be. So anticyclonic winds coming around it, which means nor'westers are returning to the North Island, not sou'westers as we've had. So the temperatures warm back up again. You'll feel that in the mornings because the mornings have been a bit cool in the north in the last few days. In the south, you'll have much hotter afternoons with a westerly wind blowing through there. Your highs back into the low to mid 20s for some areas. A little burst of rain or showers just in this northwestern corner. And we end on Friday where that little burst of rain or showers moves into the central part of New Zealand. That's great news because areas like Wanganui, Manawatu and Wairarapa could really do with a burst of rain. So some good news if that comes through as predicted. The winds up here with the high just to the north means we've got nor'westers coming out of the subtropics. So warm for these northern areas, especially Bay of Plenty and Gisborne and Hawke's Bay. You'll be the warmest places in the country on Friday. And nor'easters coming down here for Canterbury and Otago. Nor'westers though for this bottom southwest corner ahead of, you'd guessed it, the next system, which comes in on Saturday with rain for the west coast. Don't forget, for the 10-day long, 10-minute long forecast, you can go to Sky Channel 081 Country TV or visit countrytv.co.nz.